guys, I'm Pratik. Welcome to the third tutorial on the RDK X3 development board series. And in this tutorial, we'll be running some AI programs on the development board. So to begin with, they have given me a camera module. This is a 180p resolution camera module, which you can connect to the MIPI port of the RDK X3. Let me unbox it for you. So this is the module, and these are the connections. So to connect it, it's pretty simple. You have to look at the blue color, and you have to insert it in the MIPI port. Yep, so it's connected now. And as per the tutorial number 2, we are going to connect the power supply and the Ethernet so that we can program the controller. If you don't have a MIPI camera, you can also modify the code and use it for a USB camera. There are also a bunch of code available for the USB camera as well. As per the tutorial number 2, we have to type in VNC viewer. Sunrise. Okay, so we are in the development board, and now you have to navigate to this folder where there are a bunch of demo programs which are provided by the robotics. So the name of this, I'm going to show the path here soon. Yeah, so this is the path, app IDEV, and then so here this is one code that I've done just to show what's there on the camera of the MIPI. So like what feed we get. Okay, so let me just open a terminal here. Yeah, so right now this is showing me the feed of the camera. So you can see that there's my bottle here, and this is the outside, and this is my laptop. Okay, so this is pretty much it. The camera quality is pretty good, and I would say the latency is also pretty good. Now we are going to run an AI program that's gonna check what's in front of you, and it's gonna tell what is that object. So again, so I have to type in here. Yeah, so the code is now running, and I'm just gonna show you for the demonstration sake. If there's any change in the camera feed, the camera is gonna print something. So as you can see, I just hovered my hand there, and you can see that it's showing me as a person, which is pretty good, I would say. The model it is running is from Horizon Robotics, which is a company based in China. So this was a custom model that was running on the RDK X3, okay, using this camera. Yeah, sometimes it messes up, like it does show there's a cat in, maybe it's for my kada, but yeah, could be that. Now let's try to run a very well-known model, that is EfficientNet. So I might have to change the directory. Yeah, so I'm gonna run the mobile net. This is a very famous model which is especially used for embedded devices. So let me just run it. Oh, before I tell you, it shows that the class is Zebra, and if you go to that folder, um, there is an image of a zebra, which I think you can see here. Yeah, so basically what it's doing is running that mobile net on this image, and it's showing us the inference on this RDK X3 device. So that's pretty much it, guys. Here you can build your own AI applications on top of this. Since it has a GPIO pins, 40 GPIO pins, and a camera, you can like do a bunch of stuff. You can collect a lot of data for your deep learning applications and whatnot. And it offers 5 tops of inference, which is quite good and comparable to the leading products in the market. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.